right, it's Jeremy back again out here in Newtown Square, Delaware Valley Septic, Sewer, and Storm, and we're gonna do new on-site septic testing today. Basically what we're looking for in the soil, number one is making sure that there's no mottling in any of the top sections of the soil. Sandy soil is always the best. Take a look down here a little bit further. So basically what we do is we dig 2 test pits, one on the top side and one on the bottom side of the new area that we lay out. We wait for the inspector to come and approve them, but basically we just want a good perk rate, because the better the perk rate, the better that sewage is going to be able to pass through the soil. Okay, so from start to finish, it's about 1 day just for the testing, depending on, well, every property is different. It's depending on the soil composition on the property and where we can get good placement for a system. So right here we have laid out a bed. It's a little oversized because it's a very large house. So we want to make sure that we get enough square footage in to be able to perk test. Start to finish, we do 2 deep holes, and then we do post holes in the middle of where we're going to be placing the septic bed or trenches or whatever type of system that the soil allows us to install. And then we just run water over the course of the next day. We do a pre-soak today, and then tomorrow we do the perk test with the inspector. And we're going to be able to see exactly what the run rate is and how well that water perks into the soil by inches per hour. Take a walk with me, guys, and let me show you why we're out here today. So this customer actually has a system that is in failure. It's overflowing. It's coming out here onto the ground. You can see a lawnmower got to this pipe. So this old system that you're standing on top of is flooding. So what we're doing is we're testing right below it for a whole new system. I laid out oversized bed for a very large house. So now we're just waiting on the inspector to come check out the soils to see if we can get approved. Thanks for coming out with me today. If you have any problems with septic, sewer, or stormwater, give us a call or go on our website at DelawareValleySeptics.com.